In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add delivery time to your Shopify product page. This is a great way to set clear expectations with your customers and reduce questions about when their order will arrive. We'll walk through it step by step, and by the end, your product pages will automatically show a delivery time that you can control for each item. First, we're going to create a metafield that will store the delivery time for your products. In your Shopify admin dashboard, look to the lower left corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings page, find the option called Metafields and Meta Objects on the left-hand panel and click it. From here, choose Products. This tells Shopify that the metafield you're creating will apply to your products specifically. Next, click on Add Definition. In the name field, type Delivery Time. For the type, open the dropdown and choose Single Line Text. This format is perfect because you'll be entering a short sentence like delivery in 5-7 business days. Once that's set, click Save at the top near the search bar. That's it for the metafield setup. Now, let's add delivery time information to your actual products. Go back to your main Shopify admin and click on Products from the left-hand panel. Open any product where you want to show a delivery time. Scroll down until you see the metafield section. You should now see the delivery time metafield that you just created. In the text box, type the delivery message you want for this product. For example, delivery in 5-7 business days, or ships within 24-48 hours. Enter whatever is accurate for that item, then click Save. Finally, we'll display this delivery time on the product page so customers can see it. From the left-hand panel in your admin, click Online Store. Then on your current theme, click Edit Theme or Customize. This will open the theme editor. Navigate to a product page that has the delivery time metafield filled in. In the left panel of the theme editor, find the section that controls your product page content and click Add Block. Choose either a text block or a collapsible block, depending on how you prefer it to appear. You can drag and drop this new block to position it, and a good spot is near the buy button so it's easy to notice. With the block selected, click on the dynamic source icon, which looks like a small database symbol. From the list, choose Delivery Time. This links the block to the meta field you created, so each product will automatically show its own delivery message. When you're happy with the placement and look, click Save. Your delivery time now appears on the product page and you can adjust it, product by product, directly from your admin.